It's an interesting question as to why more and more installers and consequently fabricators are asking for SWISSPACER because it's becoming commonly known as the best product on the market. It's the #1 product on the market. It is a tried and tested product worldwide, 100% impermeable to gas and moisture. It's rigid and can be used in triple glazing. Most importantly, it gives the end user energy efficient window that's going to last them for years to come.
Homeowners are always asking us about how our windows and doors can affect their heating bills, and we find that by using SWISSPACER it makes a massive difference to not only the cost of their product but also the energy efficiency. Energy saving windows are crucial in helping us sell to homeowners. I think every customer now, when they're buying something, they're always looking at the impact of how much energy something's going to use or how much energy something's going to save. So yeah, energy ratings and energy performance is crucial in helping us sell to customers. Yeah, SWISSPACER makes a massive difference to the energy performance of a window. We find that by using SWISSPACER, we don't have to use any special paints, we don't have to use any special gases to get a low U value and get a good energy rating, which is useful for our customers. We always insist on SWISSPACER inside our sealed units, mainly because it makes a massive difference to the energy performance and the U value that we can achieve, but also SWISSPACER nowadays is becoming a brand that people recognise and trust. So for us, it's a massive selling point.
Our main focus over the last 2 to 3 years has been looking at our product range to improve its energy efficiency across the whole range, but also specifically we redesigned one product range, the Storvik window, to bring on board both double glazing and triple glazing on the same platform. And all our range is using the SWISSPACER to improve the energy efficiency of all our products. When we looked around the market, we found there was a number of warm edge technology products on there, but the most natural partner for us was SWISSPACER. Our glass units come from part of the Saint-Gobain group, so using SWISSPACER to partner up with the Saint-Gobain seal units from Solid White Glass Solutions seemed a perfect partner for us. Having SWISSPACER products provides a better thermal break, which then allows the energy efficiency of the sealed unit to improve. It's a natural progression to constantly improve, and we're now doing U values that were unheard of several years ago. SWISSPACER, being a warm edge technology product, improves the window energy rating for the same specification of glass, and it means that what we're using SWISSPACER, you can get an improved window energy rating at a lower cost.
Thermal efficiency of windows is important. Consort first registered our energy rated windows with BFRC in 2006, since when demand has increased significantly. We use SWISSPACER in the sealed units in our energy rated windows because it performs well.
Warm edge has grown exponentially over the last 2 or 3 years. It started off 10–15% probably 3 years back, rising to a third in 2011, and last year actually the majority were warm edge, over 50%. Primarily, it's the best product on the market. It technically performs the best in window energy ratings, and after we'd established that, we then looked at how we apply it. So we do an awful lot of Georgian bar and Integra bar work, and the rigid bar works a lot better for that solution. I think our experience of the trend of customers moving to energy efficient is when they can physically feel the difference of a conventional aluminium bar and a warm edge bar. The product literally sells itself. People are prepared to pay some extra money up front to get the savings ongoing and to have a more efficient home. I think the key is to get in front of the customer and sell that to them and sell them the benefits of the product.
next generation is, in comparison to the product we have, SWISSPACER V in the market, a new approach and a new dimension of thermal values of our product, and that's the crucial thing in our products. And what else could you name a product which replaces the best product in the market? You can only name it Ultimate. The main difference has been clearly shown by the IFT Rosenheim just recently, where there has been a new measurement of all warm edge bars in the market, measurement, and it has been clearly proved that the SWISSPACER Ultimate is again ahead of the second best product, which is the SWISSPACER V. So this is the main difference, that the possibility for energy saving, etc., by lower warm edge values is even better than it was before in the SWISSPACER V. So in the meantime, SWISSPACER Ultimate will substitute SWISSPACER V. There are not only differences, because we still have an exchanged new material as a high-tech gas barrier on the back of the spacer. So it is absolutely sure that no gas leakage will occur in the long run in the usage of the spacer. And here we talk about decades where the customers want to save the energy with their new windows and the new glass. And that's why we paid very much attention to the high quality of the materials used. But also the new spacer is not different to the old one when it comes to using it. So we kept the good properties of the product, using it, that customers are known to, and we just exchanged the performance of the material. The market is happy to get more performance at a not higher price. So this is a very good sign to the market, and all the customers that have been tested the SWISSPACER Ultimate so far are happy with it, and they're looking forward to go to the market.